Hey guys, so I wanted to go over the procedures of removing the license plate light on a BMW Z4 2003 to 2008. So and it's a three-step process. So this is what it looks like. You have a clip, okay, and on the other side you have this little right there. So what you do is you push in right there. I don't know if you can see where the screwdriver goes. Right there. And the orientation is this way, right? Look at that. Anyways, got a mosquito around here. So you push up, you push inside here, and you push to the left. Then you down, and then you come over here on this side, and you push out, and it drops. And then you wiggle it out of the socket. So that's how you do it. It's one, drop, slide to the left, and then once it's in the bottom position on this side, then you push on this side over here. That'll drop it, and then you where that clip is on. And the rest, well, you know, you just swap out the little light bulb, and that should be self-explanatory. You just twist it counterclockwise and it pops off, just like any other light. Alright, thanks for watching.